We are ZX Machinery Company.
the professional manufacturer of nonwoven bag making machine in China. This video talks about the difference between ZX-LT500 standard machine and the ZX-LT500 with vertical folding. Regarding the standard machine, after the bag is formed, it will first fold off from the bag forming unit and fold into the conveyor belt, then pass through the bag auto folding unit. And finally, the finished product is sent to the auto collection unit. This standard machine, if the fabric weight is less than 70 GSM or the fabric is too soft, it will not be easy to be folded automatically when passing through the conveyor belt, and you will not be able to collect it well.
Regarding another one with vertical folding, after the bag is formed, it immediately enters the vertical folding unit. The bag is folded during the process of folding. Then the bag enters the conveyor belt, and then we finally get the finished product in the collection unit. This feature is very suitable for the Indonesian market. Soft fabric, low weight like 60 GSM, short height, and large set gusset. Normally, the gusset size is within 25 cm.
Since the end of this video, follow us to learn more about nonwoven bag making machine.
And if you got any questions about our products, please feel free to leave us a message. We will release a new video to explain it. See you!
See you!